1-0.
Hey, it's not turnover, it's a mid shot.
What? Oh, bad versus worse. Bad versus worse.
Oh, not bad. Really, that's not.
Up top here. Okay.
Oh, love it.
Relocation.
Oh, that guy.
Woo!
Woo!
Not amazing.
That guy. Don't be a bitch. If that happened once last year. Oh my God.
It did happen once. It happened once. It happened one time. It did happen. Setting screen for our sharpshooter. Shit. Shoot now! Oh my God, why do you take your time? Why are you hesitating? No one is. That's crazy. Oh, look at that touch! That touch!
Sun has been set. Touch though. He doesn't touch. No 14-year-old goal to see it.
No.
No, this guy's always been impressed with like a 14-year-old goal.
Whoa, what are we talking about?
Dribble on. 15-year-old. That's your shot. That's not your shot anymore. Oh, that's his shot. Oh, top of the key. The wall defense.
Oh!
4-3. Yeah, you know, the sun's setting. Hold the ball.
Oh, shit.
No.
Knock down, man.
Oh, not like you. What the guy guarding? 5-4. Oh.
He pushed him, bro.
Oh shit. Oh, I still. Let him ISO. Watch your ankle, Nicole. Watch your ankle. I don't know, understand. Okay, shot. No! Yes! And then Charles flips it out of bounds. Oh! Give it to him. Whoa! Oh, no! That's because our sharpshooter here. Left. That's a good beat. Christian! What the hell is this? Existing behind him?
I don't know. I should have snagged it, honestly.
At least.
Damn. I should have snagged it.
6-4? Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yes.
No, why are you doubling? Damn it. Charles isn't going to rotate like that. Yeah. Walk. No, walk once he flattens out, you have to come back. Okay, 8-4. Oh, come on. Okay.
No. Oh, David got that. Nice. 5-8.
Why did I do that? Why did okay. Okay. Ah! Good job. Ah, damn it. Oh, no, it would have hit. Oh, bruh. 5-9. And these two guys just standing there watching it all. Point specialist. If they get the ball, I'm ultimate. Right. Charles. Woo! Christian's wide open. Good little throw. Wide open. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You're a bitch, David. Good job. Dribble's a bitch?
At least
I'll give you referrals. Join double A class.
Join double A class fast.
Glowing reference. Letter of reference. Left. Oh, crap. That was my first miss open. Ah!
No. That's it. Go.
wonder why he's open. Damn. He's just standing there. He backed up. How's it missing the got that?
Oh, that's off too.
Oh my word. Carl Jr. Go, man. Nope. Carl Jr. Right extender. What'd you say? I didn't say it. I said drive. We're up. What is it? 5-9. Oh shit. Me and girl will play. No, we're gonna start trying. Stay on it. Oh, last. 11-5. Wait. Damn, 13-5. Luckily the sun's getting dark, so we can't blow the 3-0 series lead. Oh, help him. What happened? Shoot it! No! Oh, let's go! Oh, yeah, Benny. Oh, shit. What the hell? Yes! Benny wants it. Oh, no. Chris. What's going on? Nobody's on the side of the court. Can you just feel something real quick? Oh, that's awesome. I don't know. What's that? Oh, yeah, I take you. What's our ball game? We're the only